I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to do a quick shop with me decor haul and some decorating back at home. I just quickly showed a few clips of me shopping because it was a nice day, so I was trying to go out with my family to the park after this. But after this, I'm going to take you guys home and we're going to do a decor haul and get to decorating. So I'll see you soon. Alright you guys, so we're back home and I'm just gonna do a quick little haul for you guys before we start decorating. So I got some kitchen stuff in here that I'm not gonna be decorating with today. If you're new here, we're in the middle of a kitchen makeover. We did the shelving on this side, the open shelving here. We're adding a pendant light. We're doing some new glass cabinet doors, and I am going to redecorate all of the countertops to take off all the Easter and the yellow tones and make it more wooden tones and stuff like that. So I cannot wait to do that. That should be either the next video or the next two videos. But other than that, I got some things for the dining room, which I'll be doing today, and my hallway upstairs. So the first thing I'll show you guys is this beautiful canvas, which I feel, so I went to Hobby Lobby and I always shop whatever their sale is. So their sale this week was wall decor and also their spring shop, obviously, and floral. So yeah, I got this beautiful canvas that I feel is perfect for any time of the year because I feel like it looks spring-like, but it also can pass for Christmas trees, kind of like I like pine, I don't know. So I can leave it up for Christmas. I always think that way, like, can I leave this up for Christmas or am I gonna have to change this for Christmas in the winter time? So I definitely feel like this is nice, big, and it can fit all seasons. This was $49.99, but their wall decor was 50% off, so I got it for $25, and I'm gonna be putting this in my upstairs hallway. I think there's a big, huge space above my staircase with the empty wall, and I had a frame over there in my previous home, and I love that look of the frame right above the staircase. When you're going down, you can see it, or I might put this on one of the empty walls. We'll see how that works out. I also got these beautiful like dried floral frames. They were $14, so half off, $7, which I thought was a great price. Sorry, someone's riding those like go-karts outside. I hate when they do that when my baby's sleeping. Let me know down in the comments if they ever woke your baby up, or when the cars, like those young kids, they do the backfire in the cars. So annoying. But anyways, so these are dried florals. I tried to get two different patterns. They had also with yellow in it, but again, I'm trying to go away from like the yellow and the springy because I'm thinking like all year type of decor, and like for fall I wouldn't have to change this and stuff like that. So I got two different patterns, and these were $7 each. I think they're beautiful. I love this. When I saw this, I was like, another lady was looking at it too, and I was like, oh, I have to get those shoes. Like, yeah, me too. So we both ended up getting these. I got this, so this is Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna be doing a mix over here. This is from HomeGoods because I did stop at that HomeGoods and Marshalls as well. So this was $12.99, and this is gonna be for the kitchen makeover. My plan is for more year round. Like I usually decorate this for like Easter, fall, Valentine's Day, and Christmas, but for year round, and especially because we're putting the pendant lighting, I'll show you guys the plans here. I don't want something too tall, so I think I'm gonna put this here and then put our bananas and apples and stuff there and decorate it that way so that it's functional. I think it's beautiful. It's the perfect balance because it has the wooden top and the kind of galvanized metal, but it's white, so perfect. I am obsessed with the wooden tones. As you guys can see, I'm trying to get away from the color and enjoy nice neutral tones for a while. This is also for my makeover. I have another spoon that is kind of like redone, and I don't really I'm not really feeling it anymore, so I want to do this one. It's wooden and marble. This is from this is from Marshall's. So I got this on Marshall's. I didn't get a lot on Marshall's. I ended up just getting like 2 things and then an outfit for my daughter. But I found this. It was $7.99. So cute, and it reminds me of the mortar and pestle that I used in my open shelving. So this is what I'm talking about. It reminds me of that right there, which I also got from HomeGoods or Marshall's, one of the two, but I'm loving their marble and wooden decor right now. I also got this beautiful candle. I knew it was the only one left and I knew that I had to have it. So it's in this beautiful, I don't even think I'm gonna burn this because, or I can burn it and then just put my own wax, but I did get like a $2 discount because of this crack here. But yeah, so I got this was from HomeGoods, and I got it for $13. It was like $14.99 originally, but this is perfect. I think I'm gonna put this in the dining room. I'll be decorating with that today. I also got this little bowl, and this is from Hobby Lobby. It's from the spring shop, so their spring shop is 40% off. So whatever 40% off of $25 is, that's what I got it for. I think I want to put this in my living room on my coffee table. You guys know I have my coffee table books and my throw usually on it. So to add a little more height, I thought I would put this on top of the books with like some filler. I do need to get filler. I couldn't find it anywhere I went, but we are going out today, so I couldn't take too long. But yeah, that is my plan for this. I also, of course, got some cutting boards. So let me show you guys. Again, I'm redecorating my countertop. So I know my husband's like, how many cutting boards you have? Because I have so many. I have like one over there. I have one here. I have 2 on the open shelving. I have 2 that are in my cabinets that I haven't decorated with. But I love, you can never have enough cutting boards, and especially right now at Hobby Lobby, all their, like, they have their entire wooden section with a bunch of like wooden spoons and all that for 40% off. So I got this one and it was $25, so I probably got this for around $13. I'm not sure, but I do want to use this in my countertops in my kitchen when I do the second part of my kitchen makeover. I also got this cutting board from HomeGoods because I honestly don't know where I'm gonna use this, but it's $5.99, so I was like, heck yeah, I'm gonna get this cutting board, because you know cutting boards could be expensive, especially if they're like heavy, which this one is. So this is a natural wood chopping board. So this is actually to use for chopping, or you know, those cheese boards and stuff like that. And it has the little rubber things. So I think I'll use this if I'm trying to just have a nice vibe, cut up some cheese, crackers with a little like knife there, like a charcuterie board kind of. But $5.99 for this, and it's pretty big and it's really heavy and sturdy, so not bad. Definitely head over to your HomeGoods because they have a bunch of those. From Hobby Lobby, I also got these wooden spoons. I want to switch out all of my nylon spoons with the caraway pots that I got. You can only use like nylon or silicone or wooden spoons, not the metal ones. So I want to go for wooden because again, I'm trying to add wooden things. But their wooden section was wiped out. So these were $4.99, but they're 40% off. So I would say like $2.50 each or something like that. So I got these 2 spoons, which is the only ones that they had. And then I'm gonna try another Hobby Lobby to see if I find like the spatula and the other utensils. I also got another one of these because it was the last one. So this was $9.99 and I got it for 40% off. So for $5, no, $6, whatever that is. But I think I'm gonna use this one in my bathroom for like Q-tips or something like that and decorate in there with that. I did use one of them in my open shelving, if you watched that video. And if you didn't, I'll try to link it up above. But now this is one of my favorite things that I got. And it was marked down $5. I'm not sure why. I think it is because this chip here, but it was $19.99 and they put it down to $15. So I grabbed it right away. It wasn't even in the clearance section. It was just like randomly thrown, and it's a little stand. So I think I'm gonna use this in my dining room. I'm trying to add more wooden tones everywhere, even though my dining room table is wooden, but I'm in love. This is my favorite thing that I picked up today, along with this floral, which I'm gonna get another one. I always do that. I'm like, should I get one? And then I'm like, okay, I'll just grab one, see how it looks, and then I love how it looks. Like, I love this look of this greenery, which is, I think I'm gonna go for more of this than what I usually go for. I usually go for like greenery that doesn't really look realistic. This is like, I don't know, the color, it just looks really realistic. I'm gonna use this in my dining room, and again, Floral was 50% off, so this is $15, and I'm definitely gonna pick up another one of these because I want to use this in my upstairs hallway console table, which you guys will see. I'm gonna try it in both places, and I might head over there back today after we come from the park. That's where we're going with my daughter. So yeah, so that's the decor haul, and now we're gonna go ahead and get to decorating. All right, so first, like I said, I am going to go out after this. It turned out to be a really nice day in New York, which we're not getting this time of year at all. Sometimes it'll be really nice, and then the rest of the week it'll be in the low 40s or sometimes even 30s, 50s, and stuff like that. So I wasn't planning on this Saturday to be so nice outside. So I don't have my hair done or anything. I just have my dress, so I look crazy, but we were planning to go to the park after this because hey, you have to take those nice days when it comes. And even though I already had planned to film this day, I was like, let me film some of it today and then just go out with my family and enjoy the day. So I'm just quickly wiping it down, and then we're gonna start on the centerpiece. So for the centerpiece, I knew I wanted to put this beautiful wooden, I don't even know what to call it, like a riser, I would say, but it is so beautiful. Again, it was one of my favorite finds. I was able to get it on clearance from HomeGoods, and I knew I needed to use it on either my island centerpiece or my dining table. Then, of course, I love this vase. I love this. It's called the textured vase. It's from Hearth and Hand, and they have a bigger one, and this is a smaller one. And I just love it so much, and I feel like it pairs so nicely with my table. So, of course, I'm going to use it again. And then I'm putting in this beautiful greenery from Hobby Lobby. I am so obsessed with this greenery. It just looks so realistic to me and natural, and I'm in love. And I did end up getting another one.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times.
So then I went ahead and added a kitchen towel. I've been obsessed with decorating with kitchen towels in like the dining area and the kitchen, especially this like white and terracotta color. It's beautiful. I love it. And then I just put the dough ball candle there. But then I also tried the wooden bowl that I had there, and you guys can let me know which one you like better. I ended up putting the candle back, but I just thought I would try the bowl, but it turned out that I didn't know what I would put in it, like, because I'm already putting the fruits in the other bowl on the island. So yeah, I ended up staying with the candle.
I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So now this is really just more for your opinions because I am stumped, but I'm just quickly cleaning up the living area, and then I'm gonna try that little bowl on top of my table books and see how I like it. And I honestly don't know how I feel about it. I've been looking for fillers. I've seen some at Target, but none of them really caught my attention on what I would put in that bowl. Or I was also thinking to actually fill the bowl just like the dough bowl with some wax candle mix and just having like a large candle on top of the books. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this. I did not leave it this way. I was just trying to get your opinion.
I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world.
So now we're in my second floor hallway, and I'm just showing you guys how blank it looks. The only thing that I have so far is that console table that I decorated with you guys a few videos ago. So I wanted to add some of the wall art. So the first place I'm adding wall art to is this little corner, and I thought it would be perfect for these dried floral frames from Hobby Lobby, and you could see them as soon as you come upstairs. So I thought it was beautiful, a beautiful addition to the hallway.
When you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
So of course I had to get another one of these greenery stems from Hobby Lobby because I'm in love with them, and honestly I wasn't loving the flowers anymore. I was when I first put them, but I kind of grew out of that style. Also, this is the next day, you guys. That is why my clothes are changed. Now, I knew I wanted this canvas in this hallway, but I wasn't sure whether I wanted it above the staircase because, like I said, I do want to put something there eventually, or on the other side of the hallway. I ended up putting it on the other side of the hallway because I just felt like it was too small and I needed something more grander above the staircase. But definitely let me know if you guys like the way it looked above the staircase, or if you have any other suggestions for something above that staircase.
Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down. For someone like me, I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me.
Alright, you guys, so I just want to show you guys something. So for me, it's all about the view when you come up the stairs and you're walking down the hallway. So it just looks so blank for me. So I love that you can see this console table. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, I love that you can see the console table when you're going upstairs. Yeah, you want to talk to YouTube? But then you turn around here, and I love the view right now. Like, you can see the wooden tones and the pop of greenery. I still want to do something here, but I felt like that frame was way too small for this long wall. So I want to do something grand here. I don't know if I want to do like 2 large like family portraits and like a wooden, and like change like the like wooden frames, and then change the filter to look very like rusticy, you know what I'm saying, like that yellowish rustic filter to go there. Let me know if you have any suggestions for this big large wall, but I do know for sure that I don't want to leave this empty because I love the way that excuse Eliana, but I love the way it looked when I had something there in my other house, like when you're going down the stairs and you can see something, but the other one was way smaller, so I was able to put like a small frame like that, but this one's just way bigger. But yeah, and then the only other thing that I think, so if you guys never saw the house tour, this is the guest bedroom, that's my daughter's bedroom, that's the master bedroom, which we're doing soon, and this is the second bathroom. But the only other thing, so this is how it looks going that way, which I love as well. The only other thing I think I want to add here, I might add like, I don't know, something here, or like one of those picture lights above here. I don't know. We'll see later in the future, but I definitely want to add a plant here. So like a plant, like one of those little bench stands like I have downstairs, like those little plant stands that look like benches there, with like an olive tree or something there. And then I think this hallway will be, you know, finished where most of the walls don't look blank. They have something there to make it look kind of full. So just imagine the tree there. This is like that. Maybe like a picture light or something here. And then I think this is pretty simple since it's right next to the room, but I love these. These are so beautiful. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys either for the kitchen makeover or another cleaning video, I think, before that. But definitely the kitchen, second part of the kitchen makeover is coming up, so definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more new house decorating and all the exciting things coming. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.
Oh, that deserves you.